Hey everyone, so real quick, I'm going to make a video for those of you who are like me and visual learners to help you know how to create a folder and do what I asked you to do to set up for your 6 weeks goals. So it's really simple. The first thing you're going to do is open your Google Drive, and there's a couple things you can do. You can right click and tell it to create a new folder, or you can come over here, you can hit new, create folder. And then remember, the first thing you're going to do is make it your class. So I'm going to make up a class, ASL2 2A, create. Now you're going to double click, and now you are in this folder. In this folder, you can put all of your assignments that you've made so far so that it's in one nice place. Then you're going to make a new folder, okay? Again, right click, new folder, or new folder. And then in here, we're going to make the second 6 weeks goal. Create. You're going to click in here again. This is where you're going to keep everything. You're going to keep your goals. You're going to keep your 6 weeks reviews and your journal entries. Remember that your journal entries can be 1 page or multiple pages. And you can either, again, right click, Google Docs, or new Google Docs. Either way. Come up here. You're going to title it. So maybe it's Goal Journal number 1. Or maybe it's Goal Journal Entries. Or maybe it's just your goal. It can be whatever you want. So down here, I may do stuff like, here's my goal. This may be my first entry. So let's say it's Goal Journal number 1. Okay, so my goal is to get better at understanding finger spelling. Okay, and so how will I do it? I'm going to answer, and then, I don't know, how is progress? And then keep going. Have fun with it. If you guys do want to insert pictures or GIFs, what you can do is come over here to Insert. You hit Image. You can search for something specific. This works really well if you're doing like memes. If you're doing a GIF, usually you will have to get the URL, which is this part right here. You're going to copy and paste it here and tell it to insert when it pops up. And when you make sure that it's yours, you'll tell it insert, and then you can adjust it on the page. So for example, I will do Monday meme. All right. I don't know. We'll do this one, okay? So I'm going to hit that. I will come down here, whoop, hit select. It'll pop it up. I can adjust the size. I can tell it to wrap so it doesn't interrupt my words. You can do whatever you want, okay? I hope this was an easy explanation into what you need to do. Of course, you can always email or come visit me if you have any other questions. Good luck and have a great day.